Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Capital One app for card control settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Capital One app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Capital One. Once you see the Capital One app in the search results, tap on it. On the app page, look for the Install button. Tap the Install button to start downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app. Tap on Open to launch the Capital One app. If you already have an account, tap on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are new to Capital One, tap on Enroll to create a new account. Follow the prompts to set up your account, including entering your personal information. Once your account is set up, you can navigate to the card control settings. Look for the icon that represents settings, often resembling a gear. Tap on this icon to access various card control options. From here, you can manage alerts, card locking, and spending limits. Adjust the settings according to your preferences. Be sure to save any changes you make. You are now ready to use the Capital One app for card control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.